Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Quire to Google Calendar for project timelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Quire to Google Calendar for project timelines, begin by opening your web browser. Go to the Quire website and log in to your account. Navigate to the project you wish to connect to Google Calendar. In the project view, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access project settings. Scroll down until you find the integration options. Locate the Google Calendar integration option. Click on the Connect button next to Google Calendar. You will be prompted to log into your Google account. Enter your Google account email and password, then click Next. If prompted, allow Quire to access your Google Calendar data. After granting permission, you will be redirected back to Quire. Your Google Calendar should now be linked to your Quire account. To configure your calendar settings, return to the integration options in Quire. Select which tasks and deadlines you want to sync with Google Calendar. Choose the appropriate calendar view settings that suit your project needs. Once configured, click on the Save button to apply your changes. To verify the connection, open your Google Calendar. You should see a new calendar created for your Quire tasks. Now you can view your project timelines directly within Google Calendar. You've successfully connected Quire to Google Calendar for efficient project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.